Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. I'm Gajo Binte Mahfouz, student of Homeopathy Medical College and Homeodigest. Today I'm sharing with you essence of Aconite medicine from Metro Medical book in a slightly different way. Of course, you have studied Aconite medicine in Metro Medical book. So I hope you know what is the essence of Aconite medicine. The essence of Aconite medicine is fear of impending death and panic attack. Yeah, you can say the fear of death is in many medicine. Yeah, it's in many medicine. But Aconite medicine's fear of death is different from other medicines. As you can see, an Aconite patient can tell the time, date, and day of his death. But it is not seen on the case of other medicines. An example, once my relative called my family to their house because he was going to die. When we went there, I saw that my relative was crying and said that I will die. And especially, he could tell the time and date and day of his death. It was very incredible. As my mother is a homeopathy doctor, so she observed him and she gave him the Aconite medicine. Then generally he recovers and he forgets about his death. And now he is still alive. So hopefully you understand the fear of death in Aconite medicine. But Aconite medicine has some other fear. I will describe this later. Okay, now I'm talking about panic attack. What is panic attack? Panic attack means sudden shock. Suppose if somebody come up to you when you were walking in the night and suddenly he puts a pistol to your forehead and then saying, "Give me all you have, otherwise I will kill you." The sudden shock can create such changes in a human body that afterwards periodical panic states can develop. They can last many years. Aconite cases will manifest such states of great fright with the idea is death is imminent. Aconite must contain the idea of imminent death in its symptoms. Imminent means either in a few hours or in a few days or few weeks. It's developed on the case. So I hope you understand what is the fear of death and panic attack. So now I'm sharing some of my pictograph with you. At first you can see a picture of an aconite. On the side I have written a text for your understanding. All complaints, acute or chronic, are accompanied by fear of death and the feeling that death is near or imminent. It means that you will see the fear of death in all acute or chronic condition. And this aconite patient feeling that death is near. So the next picture you can see a gentleman is standing outside in this tunnel and he think, "Oh God, it's a big tunnel. How do I pass?" Suppose a long time ago, a man died in a car accident. So now the aconite patient think, if I go into this tunnel, I will die. And the next, you can see two types of painting. This picture is fear of crowd and this picture is fear of narrow place. So I hope you know crowd mean mob or throng, blah blah. An aconite patient when stuck in crowd or progress want to get out quickly because he think I will die under the pressure of the crowd. And you can see the next image, fear of narrow place. You know that the patient of aconite is fear of death. If he is afraid of death, you can see that his palpitation and trembling, sweating, face translate. So I hope you understand how high his fear level is. In this next picture, a man walking alone in a field and you can see with no one else around. So this time he thinks that there is no one to save him if he has an accident or death in this field. Look, this man say, "Oh God, help me." So I hope you understand. And the last painting is panic attack. So I have described earlier about panic attack. So I have written the next text to this picture for your understanding. Here you can see panic attack symptom. First, here is sudden violent palpitation. Then red face and then one side numbness. Here you can see the purple mean one side numbness. Then faint feeling, perspiration, trembling, vertigo, dysphonia. At the end, fear of death. When this symptom occurs during a panic attack, he thinks, I might not live anymore. An Aconite patient's fear of death and panic attacks are connected to each other. So, I hope you understand the essence of Aconite medicine. So thank you all for watching this video. If you think this video is helpful for every homeopathy doctor, then please like, comment, share the video and stay with us. Allah Hafiz.